This is a loaded waggler, 2 gram one. You're going to need a loop tyer, all different sizes, go from 10, and that goes from 10 to 15. You're going to need size 8 or size 9 stotzs. You're going to need some scissors, float waggler adapters, and some fine line for this one's F1 pellet 16s. We will do a little setup as well. My fishing adventures. What I'm going to show you is just a basic guide, really, how to set a waggler and waggler up. This is a tyer max rod, 11 foot. I've had this for a few years. It does me well. I just want something with a good bend to it. I've also got a tyer reel there. We'll do both the eye, first big eye, then second eye, then third eye. Sometimes it gets tangled right there. Right. Hopefully the sun not too much affecting the quality. Go all the way up. Can be a bit fiddly sometimes. Keep all the way up. Try and bring it down. Fail to zoom in. The eyes. Good glasses. It only works first time. Or just good eyesight would help. Keep going all the way up. Okay. Hope you can see clearly. If you can't, any questions, just ping it over. I'll show you the way I do it. As this channel's all about, there's no such thing as the right way. It's your way what works at the time. I'm not trying to lecture you or tell you what to do. Just giving you what I do. That's just what I do. Right. Okay, put the rod down. We have the line. Put it over the top. Right. I've got the line. First you want, so it comes closer. First you want your float adapter. And there'll be 3. There'll be a stop, a float, stop, then your swivel, and 2 more when you buy them. Okay, you'll get a pack. What'll happen? Put it through the loop. You can see through the loop. Right, through the loop. You see that? Through the loop. Right, hold it. Right, wet it. Which you do with everything. Your knots. Make sure they're well wet. Okay. As you can see, like that. Okay. Then keep pushing through all the way to the end. Then that's what you're going to end up with. That on your line. Then get rid of this bit. See the old curly line. Keep wetting. Because your line will curl otherwise. Push it down. Leave it. Okay, leave. Right, come close. We'll have figure of 8 knot. I always do here. So over, hold, around. Put your mouth and then under. Okay, you see that? Figure of 8. Then you can choose your size. I will choose at this situation a 10 personally. There, put one on the big end, that one on the little end, push down. Okay, pull tight, get this finger, hold it, and that one comes off. Okay, hold it, this one's a bit fiddly. Then get the scissors, it's not as fiddly, cut it off. Cut it off as short as you dare, personally, so you don't want that to catch. Right, that ends up with that. Okay, got that? Still? Right, we're guiding them. Okay, Then what you want to do is you want to put, what I want to do is I put 2 on. Okay, I'll put 2 of this one, probably 3 on, 3 number 9s. It's a loaded waggler, but it's nice to get a few shot down the line anyway. You probably want to go in the middle, and probably another one. You don't want to put nothing near the hook link. You want a good space between the middle shot and the hook link. Right, really tight hook links. Okay, they're Guru ones, which I always use, really quite strong. F1 pellet 16s, my favourite hook. Okay, get your hook, there's your loop, another loop, hold it through, wait till it's like that. You see that? Hold that loop, pick that loop underneath, wet it again, you wet everything, it's like that. Okay, can you see from the start to the finish? Okay, we're nearly done. All we've then got to do is there is a little swivel on this end. Open that up. Open that up. Get your waggler, or any waggler you'd want to use. Right, click it in. This can be a little bit fiddly, and that ends up like that. Okay. Okay, this is the whole rig from start to finish. And you will need this thing, and I hope that was a little bit helpful for you. You know, please like and share. I'll keep posting videos, different stuff I do. On the day you might need to add a few more number 9s, sometimes even a number 8, but personally I'd start with 3 number 9s and then work from there. Put a maggot on the end, put a bit of corn on the end, change it if you want to a pellet this time of year. I mean, I would do it. I wouldn't hesitate to put a pellet on a, even on a waggler. Doesn't matter. Personally, I think if they're having it, they'll have it. Right. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share. And there it is. That's what I do.